Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm here again to do what I love doing. In this video, I will show you how to create bill invoice in Microsoft Excel. Let's go write the name of the company. When you click on this, the A1, then let's drag that to F. After that, you see here, merge and center. Click on that and then write the name of the company. Like I said, East Repair. Then the address of the company, I will do the same here. Click here and drag to F again and merge and write the address 245 Paisley Road. I will go for bill invoice here. I will drag here and drag that. Click here and drag that to F again, then merge, then bill invoice. That is it. So now we have to get the bill number and here, then here the next cell we need to add the name of the products, name of products. So you can see that it enters the other cell. So what you have to do is to here, you see this, you can see the cursor, just double click and we're good to go. Then next is let's get the quantity purchased. So let's get the price. So here, let's get the price, the quantity, so we have the quantity, we have the price, we have the amount. So we have the amount. So now let's give the bill number. I can start with something like 1201, then 1202, 1203, 1204, 1205, 1206, 1207. I think that is enough. Then product names, we can start with bearing, you can use something like tire, so something like 12. I can decrease this to something like 10, then increase this to 12 and make here I can do something like this, and then go get the border. I will go for all borders. You can see where I went to. Under here from this drop down here, go for all borders, and that is it. We're good to go. So here, once more, let's calculate the amount. So let's click here and use the equal symbol. So that means 10 times 1. 10, use the times symbol on your keyboard. The times symbol is above number 8. So let's get that, and this, then hit enter, and here we go. So since we have done this one, there is no point doing others manually. So what we have to do is to, when we place that here, you see the cross symbol came out. Just click and drag it down to the last. Automatically we have everything displayed, as you can see. So that is it. One more. So here we can go for, click here and highlight how many. I think we need subtotal, we need the VAT and the total, and go for all borders. So here we go for merge and center subtotal, and here we need so let the VAT be, let's say 3%. Let me go for 3% or 2%, just depending. This is just an example. So let's say 3% is the VAT, and here will be the total. Then let's go calculate the total amount. So to get the subtotal now, we have to click on here and go get the automatic sum. So we get, so here let's look for the automatic sum. If it is not here, you can just type up here auto sum. You can see auto sum up here. Just click on auto sum. You see, highlighted everything, and hit enter, and that is the sum. So we have gotten the sum. So what about the 3% VAT charged on this? So what we have to do here is to click here and equals again this subtotal times 3 divided by 100, and we hit enter. So the 3% of 1009 is 32.7. That is the 3% of this subtotal. So the total amount should be this plus this. So here again equals this plus symbol this, and hit enter. So we have a total price of 1122.7. So that is the total price. So what more can we do here? Let's say we can go for let's give this a color, highlight all of them, and go for what can we use here? Let's use something like this. Then for all this part, I can use another color as well, something like this. And here I can do this and go for align right, depending on the, I think center is good, but let me try align right and see. Well, not that bad. I can equally highlight and then give that part a color of my choice, something like this, or let me give it something else, something like this. So it is pretty simple, easy, simple and easy. So this is how to create a bill invoice. If the video is of good help, the video a thumbs up, click on that red subscribe button, and equally beside it you will see the notification bell. Just click on that notification bell please, and click on all, so that whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel, you will be notified to come check it out. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you and God bless.